Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to animate a still photo using Canva AI image to video generator. Animating a still photo in Canva is a great way to bring static images to life. With Canva AI-powered image to video generator tools, you can add movement, effects, and animations to make your photos more dynamic. Here's how you can do it on your computer. First, open Canva on your computer and make sure you're working on a blank canvas or an existing project. Now, click on Uploads from the left side menu. Here, choose any image you want to animate and click on it. The photo will appear on your canvas. Next, drag the corners of the image to resize it and make it larger to fit your canvas as needed. Now, click on Edit from the top menu. In the Magic Studio section, select Magic Grab. Click on the main object in your photo, for example, an aeroplane, and then click on Grab. As you can see, the object is separated, and you can now move it anywhere on your canvas to adjust its placement. Next, click on Animate from the top toolbar. Here you'll find different animation styles such as Photo Zoom, Photo Rise, Pulse, or Rotate. Select any animation you like, and Canva will apply it to your photo. Use the intensity slider to adjust how strong or subtle the animation looks. Once you're happy with the animation, click on Share from the top right corner. Now click on Download. Choose the file type and the quality you prefer. Finally, click on Download again to save your animated photo as a video on your computer. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.